Making its official debut at Tokyo's IREX 2025 show, service robotics company Pudu unveils its full lineup of robotic quadrupeds. Known as the Pudu D5 series, the autonomous platform is designed for all-terrain operation, combining legged mobility with wheels and high-performance onboard computing. Built for service applications, the D5 series supports tasks such as delivery, cleaning, and intelligent inspection. These capabilities are enabled by Pudu's self-deployed full-stack technology, which spans perception, navigation, motor systems, and motion control. At the core of the platform is a dual-processor architecture powered by NVIDIA Orin and RK3588 chips. Together, they deliver up to 275 trillion operations per second, allowing the robots to handle complex workloads including object recognition, obstacle avoidance, and path optimization with minimal latency. The system also features advanced SLAM, meaning simultaneous localization and mapping, capable of mapping up to 1 million square meters in a single scan. With a maximum range of 14 kilometers, the robot is equipped with 4 100-degree fisheye cameras that provide a full 360-degree field of view. Front and rear 192-line LiDAR units generate dense point clouds to support real-time see and solve navigation, improving both efficiency and safety. Physically, the D5 series is engineered for durability in demanding environments. A high-strength aluminum frame and closed-loop torque system allow the robot to carry stable payloads for more than 2 hours. The platform is IP67 rated for water and dust resistance and is designed to operate reliably in temperatures ranging from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius. Displaying a variety of services, the D5 series reflects Pudu's broader mission to make work easier and life better through AI-driven robotics.